Dear viewers of Madani Channel, inshaAllah today we'll be learning about one of the karamat, the saintly miracles of our Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu. Once, in the city of Baghdad, there was a disease spreading and people began to die in every direction. When Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu was informed of this, he said to the people, "O people, eat the grass from around my madrasa and drink the water from the well of my madrasa. Insha'Allah, you'll be cured." The people did this and they began to be cured to such an extent that it is narrated that the disease disappeared and never reappeared again. It is stated in Tabaqat al-Kubra that Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu said, "Whoever walked past my madrasa, his punishment will be relieved in the hereafter." Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
I must strive to rectify myself and the people of the whole world.